Okay, everybody. Some of the questions I get are often related to pricing of cleaning, whether it be tile, carpet. Let's just stick to a mainstream of just flooring in general. Pricing is very difficult to portray via the website, anything other than clearly communicating with you on what's going on. And the simple reason is this, guys. I know we can look at any given moment, go through the internet and look at $20 a room, $6 a room, $99 whole house, all sorts of crazy things, right? And then I know that people that have done that experience a whole different level. So when people come out there and they do that, what's happening, and you know what's happening, is they all of a sudden start changing up their pricing. And pricing relays depends on a lot of different variables that they come up with to create the new price. And if you keep it at that $99 for the whole house, you obviously know afterwards that that really wasn't worth $99, period. Simply put, guys, some of my clients got a 1,300 square feet house. Some of my clients got over 20,000 square foot homes. Yes, they are out there. Very few of them. I got a couple. I'm very fortunate. Not the point. The point is, how do you charge that $20, $30? How do you charge that per room? It's difficult. My website gives you some pricing. It gives you a per area kind of pricing on there. That's the closest you can really get to it. Even then, it's going to be a little misconstrued if you don't read the whole thing. Like, I'll charge a base price up to 225 square feet, and then it's going to include, that's going to be 2 different areas at that point. That's really important to understand. Understand also basic cleaning compared to every other name they call it. Basic seems to be something that is universally used for nothing more than a whole bunch of hot water, if even hot, blowing on your carpet, on your tile, on your wood, whatever it is you're cleaning. To really get that stuff clean, you have to use a proper chemistry for what's going on, for the environment. Another reason, we take the average house of 25 to 3,000 square feet, right? Well, some houses got hoarders in them. You got a couple of feet of carpeting, flooring, whatever. Other people are very austere. They have 1 or 2 pieces of furniture in a whole entire place. So you have a lot more flooring to clean. That's why it's very difficult to give pricing without talking, seeing it. It averages anywhere from $35 up to $60 per area for me. It goes down, it sits at 20 cents to 50 cents per square foot, really easy for me, all those ranges. It just depends really what you want. My services on there kind of give a drop-down menu of the different items we present and we bring to the table as you go up in your level of cleaning. The average is the middle 2. Basic is if you're really super clean in the first place and there's really nothing going on. Because what I'm going to use is just a quick hot water extraction, and that's it. And that's all you're going to get. The other couple levels are more for the average everyday person who's looking for a deep, good, thorough cleaning, sterilization, the whole thing they need for that tile or for that carpeting or whatever flooring they may be working with. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 602-619-0687, and we'll go from there. Thanks.